Here's how you pair your AirPods with an Android phone. Most AirPods will have this button in the back of the case. Open the case, then press and hold the button to put your AirPods in pairing mode. You'll hear a little chime and see the white light start flashing when pairing mode is on. Some AirPods might not have a physical button in the back. For those, you'll open the case and double tap the front of the case near the light to put them in pairing mode. Once your AirPods are in pairing mode, you'll go to Settings, Connections, and Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and look for the section for pairing new devices. Your AirPods will show up there and you'll tap them to connect. It might take a second for your phone to see the AirPods and you'll get a prompt asking to confirm you want to connect. Your volume slider now has a little Bluetooth icon, and all the audio plays through your AirPods. I have a separate video for all the gestures you can do on the AirPods Pro to control playback, phone calls, etc. Give that a watch next if you want to learn all the ways to control audio directly from your earbuds. Some things like ear detection, spatial audio, and head tracking won't work on Android devices, but basic controls and playback will work just fine. And I can, for example, skip songs and adjust the volume directly on the earbuds without touching my phone. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy guides like this.